Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you risotto with chanterelle mushrooms, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I made it. I started with chopping some green onion, a clove of garlic, and I'm gonna mince it. The mushrooms are fresh, but they're quite dirty, so I'm just shaking them a bit to remove any debris that can be removed like this. And also I'm gonna wash them really good and cut them in smaller pieces. I'm gonna need a little bit of white wine. This is demi-dry and I'm gonna use about 100 milliliters. In a pan I'm gonna add butter and some olive oil, and I'm gonna cook the mushrooms in quite a few batches on high heat. As you can see, they look absolutely delicious and they smell super good. So my risotto is gonna be full of flavors. After I'm cooking the first batch, I'm gonna add more mushrooms in the pan. I'm gonna remove about 1/3 of these and reserve them to serve them on top of the risotto. Over the ones left in the pan, I'm gonna add the onions and also the garlic. I'm cooking the onions until they're softening up a bit and add the garlic. I will add now the wine and let it reduce. I will add a teaspoon of chicken bouillon because I do not have chicken stock. Some pepper. A bit of thyme. A bay leaf. A cup of rice. And I'm using Camolino, or you can use arborio. We need a rice that has the grain a bit more rounder and is full of starch. And I will start adding hot water gradually over the rice and cook these, and I will add in total about 3 cups of water and let the rice cook. When it's done, I'm gonna stop the heat and add cream, and I'm gonna grate parmigiano as well and add it over, and it's gonna give creaminess and it's gonna be super good. If you don't like to add cream, you can use coconut cream, and it's gonna be as good as this. Add now parmigiano, and I freshly grated. Finish this with chopped parsley, and it's ready to be served. And you can serve this as it is with a salad. I chose to serve it with chicken, and I cooked chicken thighs in the air fryer. I'm gonna show you all the spices that I used and how I made them. So I have 2 chicken thighs without the bone or the skin. Remove any cartilage and any excess fat. Put them in a bowl. I added garlic powder, pepper over freshly grinded, a little bit of salt, not too much, a little bit of olive oil. Sorry for my camera defocusing like that. Or Worcestershire sauce, like a tablespoon out of these. Sweet soy sauce, and this one is really nice and thick, about a tablespoon out of that too. Some sweet chili sauce, and some lime juice. Mix everything together and put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes before you cook them. But first mix them really well with all the spices and all those sauces, and let them marinating like this for 30 minutes in the fridge. After that, I will put them on this grill from my air fryer, and I will cook them at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna flip them on the other side halfway through. So now I will flip them on the other side and put them again in the air fryer, and they are done and juicy and delicious, and I will serve them with this creamy risotto. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, have a nice day and find reasons to smile. Bye bye.